So our first example, the value of an endowment policy increases at the rate of 5% per annum. The initial value is £700. A, we want to write a recurrence relation for the value of the policy, and B, calculate the value of the policy after 5 years. So let's start with this recurrence relation. So let's make U of n equal to the value of the policy after n years. So the value of the policy after n years. Now, to get my next term, so to get U of n plus 1, what do I need to do? So if we just think on the side, if I have my initial value of 7,000 and I want to get the next value, well, we're increasing by 5%. So if we look at this, again, increasing by 5%, we know we take our 100% and we add 5% to it as it's an increase, and this will give me 105%. So what we do, if we were working just with the numbers to get the next year, we'd take 7,000 and we'd multiply it by our multiplier of 1.05. That will increase it by 5%. So here, what I want to do is I want to take my current value, so UN, I'm going to multiply it by 1.05. Tidying this up a bit, my recurrence relation can be written as U n plus 1 is equal to 1.05 UN. So to get my next term, I need to take 1.05 and multiply it by my current term. That's my recurrence relation. Now, for part B, we want to calculate the value of the policy after 5 years. And we're going to use our recurrence relation to do that. So my initial value, which is stated in the question, was 7,000. So U of 0 is 7,000. So U1 is going to be 1.05 times my current value. Current value will be 7,000. That will give me 7,350. To get U2, we're going to take 1.05 and multiply it by our current value, 7,350. When you do that, 7,717.5. To get U3, 1.05 times our current value, and you'll get 8,103.375 when I type that into a calculator. And then you just repeat. So we're on U4, 1.05 times, so to get my next value, I take 1.05 times it by my current value, which is going to be the current value of 8,103.375. Noticing I'm not rounding until the very end. So this will become 8,508.54375. I have to move up to the side to get my last one. So U of 5, right? So my policy after 5 years, I'm going to take 1.05 and times it by my current value. Again, current value just comes from your last term that you're at. So 8,508.54375. And when you work this out, you get 8,933.97. So we want to make a statement about this. So we'll just write this, I'll write at the bottom here. So after 5 years, the policy is worth £8,933.97. So there you go. That's how we use recurrence relations to answer this type of question.